Most beginners fail online because they start with complicated business models. They think they need a website, ads, a big audience, or advanced skills. In reality, the simplest online business model is built on three basic parts. And once you understand them, everything else makes sense. When I say simple, I don't mean effortless. I mean low startup cost, few moving parts, easy to understand, and easy to repeat. A good beginner model should work without scale, not depend on luck or viral moments. The simplest online business model looks like this: attention to solution to payment. That's it. You get attention from the right people, you offer a clear solution to a specific problem, and you make it easy to pay. For beginners, attention should be free, organic, and skill based. The easiest way is content creation: short videos, posts, or explanations that help people understand or solve something. You don't need millions of views, you need the right viewers. Your solution should be simple and specific, useful. This could be a digital product, a small service, a guide or template. The biggest mistake is making it too big. A small solution that actually works beats a complex system every time. This is where beginners overthink. You don't need a custom website, complex funnels, and advanced tools. You need a product, a payment link, and automatic delivery. The goal is to remove friction, not impress. This model works because it's repeatable and it's low risk, and it creates feedback fast. You learn what people want by selling and not by guessing. Once one version works, you've got momentum. Most beginners fail because they try multiple models at once, wait too long to launch, build instead of testing, or quit too early. Simplicity isn't boring, it's strategic. Here's what to do next. 1. Pick one platform for attention. 2. Identify one clear problem. 3. Create a simple solution. And 4. Publish and get feedback. That's the model. The simplest online business model isn't flashy, but it works. If you want a deeper breakdown of any business model, let me know in the comments. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to help me out.